We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NZD, USD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle. Looks like it's coming from an area of support from a second last candle being a bullish green doji. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows. We do have that midpoint in the middle, and we are adding second level highs. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So if this market is going to work its way up from price, let's say we do have that incline, that market does push up from that area. Market's coming from a structure of an overall first leg, second leg, third leg. So we're looking for that pattern to identify itself here from Forex pattern cheat sheet. And once we receive that pattern, market can push right back up to that second level highs, break that area, retest, and we looking for markets coming from that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market push once, double bottom and a retest. Now if that market does come down from this area, market's coming from a different pattern with multiple touches to that top here. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest one, retest two, retest. So the market came back to retest twice. Let's do that again. First, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two, retest. So if it does push down from this area, that will be the third push. It still have a few more pushes to do if it does push down again from that area. But second last candle in the market is a major support leg with that doji, so it can be respected. We do have price action dominantly engulfing the second last candle, but we definitely want to see price action engulf the third to last candle and definitely some of the fourth to last candle in the market, which is that doji, and to push that market up. Or that market can consolidate within this area of price action, fourth to last candle in the market, and at the bottom of the second last candle. So we can think of that market being in that range of that consolidation. And let's add a midpoint in the middle, so we see as we walk down further, we can see if that market we can see that it clearly broke that midpoint I just created, but we want to see if it broke and retest. If not, is the retest going to follow up? On the weekly time frame, we do have price action at bullish green candle. We do have that break of that area. So if that market does work its way up further, market's coming from a pattern at that bottom, which would be overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we do have that incline W. The market did break that SR line. We're going to see if it's going to follow with a retest for that market to push up. If so, market's coming from a double bottom and a retest. Now if that market works its way down, okay, so I mean it can be rejected at that midpoint of that area. So market will be coming from the first, second, third, and then if we receive a huge engulfing bearish red candle to price action, green candle, market's coming down from that double top, or that market can consolidate near this SR line. So let's add another SR line between this high and this midpoint that we did create an earlier time frame. So market can be tagging that area in here. So let's take a look at what's going on as we work our way down the time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have price action as a doji. Second last candle is a doji, third to last candle is a push. So let's read the market. Let's talk about it a little bit. So what's happening is that the third to last candle has broken through that midpoint line that we created from the earlier time frame. Second last candle has tagged up for the second time, and then price action for the third time. So it's more like a break, retest, and then price actions to push. Okay. So overall, we're not going to count the third to last candles at that touch to that top. We're just going to pay attention to price action, second last candle, tagging that area resistance. And as we walk, as the market goes from the third to last candle second to price action, we can see the candles is losing momentum, so it can be rejecting this area of resistance and identifying a bearish red candle to work its way back down for that retest, for that market to push up or break all the way down, retest, and then break and retest that SR line and work its way down further. And if we do receive that consolidation, it will happen within this area. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a bullish green small candle, more like a doji with a long wick up to the top. So this can be multiple things that's happening in that area. So if you think about it as price action high, price action low, so price is sitting at that midpoint, and what's can be formed is that we can be formed. Let's say that market's going to drop down. It can be coming from that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market comes down from a double top and a retest, or overall triple top. And if market work its way up, market's coming from that first, second, third, and we're looking for price action to identify as engulfment pattern, which is second last candle is engulfment third last candle, but it's a little bit side by side, very close together. We want to see additional candle form to create that double bottom or that break of that SR line without it looking like a doji, or without it being a doji. Price action on the 3-hour time frame is the same thing, but it's a bearish red doji instead of a bullish green doji. 2-hour time frame, now we receive that second last candle has broke that area. Price action is a retest, just hanging out on that area of that SR line. On the 1-hour time frame, now we can see it much clearer. So it's a pattern happening below price. If this market does work its way for the incline, we can see that first, second, third, fourth. So we do have that break of the market. Market came back to retest, looking for a bullish green candle to push that market up for that double bottom and retest. And that market does come down from that area on the 1-hour time frame. Overall, first, second, third, engulfment bearish red candle. We're looking forward to engulf the third to last candle in the market to push that market down from that double top. And it may identify as a retest if it breaks that SR line. Maybe, maybe not. On the 45-minute, same as well. Looking, so all the price did was just break, came back to retest. Still looking for a pattern to see if it's going to finally fully break out with a bearish red candle, retest the bottom, or is it going to respect and push its way up? And if it's respected, pushes way up, we're going to see what's going to look like as we walk down the time frame. Price action on the 30-minute time frame, bearish red candle. Price action second last candle is showing dominant candles. So market lost momentum with price action and third last candle. So it's more like first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Price action is the retest. And now we're looking to see if that market's going to drop down further to push down with that price action candle, identify another candle to push down. So far, that market look like it can be breaking if it does break that SR line. It could be following through with more of a push if it breaks that SR line from the price action third to last candle. Same as well with the 15-minute time frame. So if this market is respected, we'll see market coming from an overall first, second, third, looking for that engulfment candle green towards the price second and at least the third to last candle. It may have to clear that price action wick for a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet, and then after that's going to follow up with the break and retest strategy, and it will look like the break of this W came back to retest and work its way up for that double bottom and retest, or we can just keep receiving that consolidation in that area. On the 5-minute time frame, we do have a bullish red candle, bearish red candle, engulfment still near the area of that SR line, so we got to wait till the market do what it do. On the 3-minute time frame, same as well. On the 1-minute time frame, now we see a pattern from the high, first, second, third, market push down for that fourth. Multiple spikes down to that low, so market can be coming back to that, at least that midpoint, that area retest for that market to push down further. If not, market can draw like an incline double bottom for a first, second, third, fourth. So it'll retest that midpoint line and work its way up for that double bottom, incline double bottom. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your